Hey, this is Iwona, and today I will show you how to take your photo from here to here. We're going to use my own overlays that you'll find on my website, and let's get started. So hey, once again, if you don't know me, my name is Iwona Podlasińska. You will find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on my website iwonapodlasińska.com, where you will find all the overlays that I will be using on this photo. So I have this photo already in Lightroom, and I'll show you this is the original version. And this is what I did here in Lightroom, and I'll create a full tutorial including this part, and that will be available on my website. And let's go from here, we'll go to Photoshop. And I'm going to add a few of my overlays. So let's get started with star number 3. Those are light effects that I'm linking down here, and I love those because those create those magical shine around, especially candles, like any types of like lamps or anything else. I'm going to put that into screen mode, and I'm going to put it on the candle here, like so, maybe a little smaller. Okay, that instantly makes the candle really shiny, but I'm going to reduce the opacity so I can see the actual shape of the flame. And another thing that I want to add is like a little bit of like a steam coming out of that cap. So we're going to use one of my smoke and mist overlays, and I'm going to use number 6. I'm going to make it smaller and place it over here like that, and then change the blending mode to screen. Then I need to get rid of that part here on the cap. So I'm going to add a layer mask, and I'm going to use a brush to brush that off and get rid of that edge. I may also reduce the opacity just a little to make it a little more like blend into the image a little better. And the last thing that I wanted to add would be a frost on that window. And I have also frost on my website, so we'll find it here. And I'm going to take that frost number 9 and put it here. And then I need to place it on the window like that. And then change the blending mode to screen as well. And now it kind of seems like it's like in front of the candle because it's more sharp than the window, and it has to be the same type of blur that the window has, so it looks natural. So we need to go to filter, blur, and then go to Gaussian blur to blur this thing out. I still want to see the actual frost, but not too sharp. So I'm trying to guess what type of blur that would be. Okay, I can see a little bit of shine here in the corner of the window, and I really like that. So maybe let's put here another of my light effects. I'm going to choose the last one, star number 9, and then put it on the window like that. And I'm going to change the blending mode to screen. And now we can blur that a little using filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Okay, I think I'm going to also reduce the opacity because I like this, but not to be as visible. Okay, let's group all those things together and see how that looks. Okay, I really like that effect. I think it added a lot of that shine and a lot of that magic to this photo. And I hope that you liked it too. And if you want to get any of those overlays, make sure to check my website or just follow the links that are here in the description box below. And yeah, and if you want me to show you something else, maybe some kind of other edit, or have any other ideas for the videos that you might want to see on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. I will love to hear from you, and I will see you next time. Bye!